Stuffed bhindi. Stuffed bhindi is a traditional Indian spices dish with a tasty experience in every bite. It's made by shallow frying bhindis filled with various spices. Flavors of bhindi masala mixture can be further adjusted according to your own taste. So let's check out this nutritious and mouth-watering dish. Let's go through the ingredient first. 250 gram bhindi, 3 tablespoon besan, salt according to taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2-3 tablespoon cooking oil, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste. First wash bhindi thoroughly, then dry them completely with the help of kitchen towel. Now cut both ends of bhindi like this. I have already cut all bhindis. Now make a lengthwise slit, but be careful not to cut too deep into two pieces. We will fill bhindi masala in this slit. Similarly cut all bhindis. Now we will prepare masala for filling bhindi. For that, heat a tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Keep the heat low and add ginger, garlic. Now saute for 2 to 3 minutes till it's slightly cooked. Now add besan and turmeric powder. Mix them well and cook till their rawness goes away. Keep the heat low and add cumin powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, salt, and red chili powder. Now mix them well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. You can smell the aroma of spices when they are cooked. Now our spice mixture is ready. Now fill this spice mixture in bhindis like this. Just press bhindis little bit so that spices don't come out while cooking. Fill all bhindis like this. Now for cooking them, heat 2 tablespoon oil in a wide pan and place bhindis like this. If you have more bhindis, fry in 2 batches to avoid overcrowding them. Now cover it and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, shuffle them to cook for another 5 minutes on this side. After cooking for total 10 to 12 minutes, stuffed bhindi should be ready. So now let's taste it. As we wanted, bhindis are soft and spicy. Serve this dish with roti or rice and a bowl of raita. You can also have it as a side dish with any meal. Get familiar with this recipe and don't forget to try at home. Your family and guests will just love it.